Personally, I love to use Mr. Horse in all my projects because it just makes life easier. There are going to be some people that don't believe this is real animation and think you should always use expressions, placing the keyframes yourself and blah blah blah. But as long as I'm not working for Pixar, I don't really care. Anyway, I've made a tutorial for wavy hair, which was also a very fast way to make that effect, but I just want to show you how I would make the same effect with Mr. Horse. So I drag in the same file as a composition and I want to make her hair move in the wind. Go to the animation composer, go to presets, motion presets, effects. You see here all the examples of what the effect does with the horse with the sunglasses logo, which to be honest was kind of confusing when I started using Mr. Horse. But don't worry, you'll get the hang of it. Just like the standard effects, you use the wave warp. You can see here which one you want to use. I think Wave Warp 3 is gonna work for this image. Click on the layer you want to use, click on the effect and press apply. It applied the effect on the layer. You might want to drag the center of the layer too. If you now play the animation, you see that it doesn't look good at all. But you go to the edit inside the animation composer and adjust the intensity. And now it looks like it's moving in the wind.